I found a stick. I thought we'd do a saw off and saw through sections of this. Here's the Kerye saw. I'm going to use the finer tooth. And there it goes. Took a while, but it's very smooth. So that's about how big a diameter we're exploring. So let's set that aside. Let's bring out the Silky F180 and see how that does. We'll just choose a section of wood very close. The Silky is definitely binding more than the Kerye. Here goes. So quite a bit quicker, a little bit more binding, which with the Silky saw, you've got to, don't just push through those bindings, like adjust. But yeah, got through this no problem. Now I think we'll try the Farmer X Alox, the mighty Farmer X Alox. Though, I don't know, we want to give this a fighting chance. If you've only got a Farmer X on you, you'll probably want something a little, you just won't be tackling those big jobs. So let's try through here. That looks like a more manageable piece for a Swiss Army knife saw. Whew. Definitely more tiring, but the Farmer X gets it done. All right, let's take a look at these three here saws. The Kerye, the Silky F180, the Farmer X Alox. Do you carry a saw in your everyday carry? Is that part of your EDC love language, is to carry a saw? I don't carry these all at once. I vary my experiences, but the Farmer X is one that goes with me just about everywhere. And the other ones supplement. So I hope you're having a good day and out there enjoying life, the universe, and all of that, and hope you can get out to a river or body of water sometime soon and enjoy some nature. This is Hamid. Stay creative. I'm out.